Armand Taylor sings Stevie Wonder's Overjoyed. I hope you enjoy it. Over time, I've been building my castle of love. Just for two, though you never knew you were my reason. I've gone much too far for you now to say that I've got to throw my castle away over dreams. I have picked out a perfect come true. Though you never knew it was of you I've been dreaming. The Sandman has come from too far away for you to say come back some other day. And though you don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams do it, I looked at you. And baby, too, if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed over love over me. Over heart, I have painfully turned every stone, just to find I have found what I've searched to discover. I've gone much too far for me now to find the love that I sought can never be mine. And though you don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams into it I looked at you. And maybe too if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed over love over me. If only I say yeah, both, what do they know? Falling romance, all true love needs is a chance. And maybe with the chance you will find you too like I overjoyed over love